Hello, today I want to talk to you about the number 5 in our 5 fantastic setups, and its name is SNRC2. But today I want to start with an example and then explain about it in the chart. Let's see our first example. And there is something different between SNRC1 and SNRC2. In SNRC1 we just have a order block, but in SNR2 we have some candles, not just one or two candles in the line of the SNR. Let me explain it. For example, here, if we change it to the line chart, as you see, we have a break in this area. This resistance has been break. Okay, after then price came back to this area and goes up. As you see, we have many candles in this area. Okay, so this is SNRC2. And we are waiting for a price came back to this area. As you see, I write here SNRC2 in 15 seconds. Let me change it to the lower time frame. You can see the order block very well. Can you see? This order block is unmitigated. Price came back to this area, had the engulfing candle as our confirmation. Then we can enter to this area. Here, put our stop loss lower down our area for buy positions. And about the target, let me change to the 1 minute. A little zoom out the chart. We can have two type of target. One of them is this area at the end of the same range. Be sure if you put your target here, your win rate will get very better. Our next TP can be this unmitigated area. Okay, because there is a FVG above it is unmitigated order block, that is supply. Okay, so if I put my target till here is I hope it will be visible. It's around 3.94, around 4. Our risk reward ratio is around 4. But let's see what is going on, what will happen. Can you see price goes up till our first TP, then had a little reaction and continue. Okay. Price touch this order block, and I prefer come out of the when I saw something like this, price touch area and then make a engulfing candle. As a way, we try to enter with the engulfing candle. We use that for save our target and come out of the market. But let's see what will happen after that. As you see, if you didn't close your position, it will came back, price will came back and touch your stop loss. So please be careful about your money. Your money is very important, and don't enter to the market without any practice, and please try to make many back tests, and please be careful about your money in the market. We try to have a good trade. We don't have any crazy things. We just want to see it as a work. We should be patient. We should waiting for a market to our algorithm being ready, and then we will enter to the market. Okay, this was our first example with the risk reward ratio around the 4, because around the 4. Okay, let me explain a little about the SNR. We have a strong resistance here. Price come back, break it, again come to this area and goes up. Okay, I want to explain it here about the SNR2. This is our SNR. This is our break. Then price come back to this area, and we should have a FVG in this area and unmitigated order block in this area. Then price will come to this area. We should have a engulfing confirmation, and then we can enter to the market and take our TP. Okay, but if I want to explain about the SNRC1. Okay, so let me write here. This is SNRC2. Oops. Okay. Make it this one is SNRC1. In SNRC1 we have a little reaction, just one or two candle, but the other things are the same. Okay, SNR. And for the SNRC1, same as SNR2, we need a FVG at this area and unmitigated block here, and we need a engulfing confirmation, and after then we can enter to the market. And something else, be careful about the SNRC1. Below of it, try to not be any FVG. Maybe price come a little down and after that goes up. For example, it maybe come here. Maybe we saw engulfing confirmation, but price break it, goes down, and after then we have something like this. Please be careful if there was FVG. If you have many backtests, you will learn many of these things very easily. Just I am try to explain you what is my experiences in the market. Okay, let's see if market was in the sell position. And let me check. Let's see the second example. Okay, let's see the second example. As you see, we have a resistance here. Price break it, comes down and goes up. And it's taking a little time to come back to this order block, okay, and then touch it, make a, let me zoom in, make a engulfing candle as a confirmation. We enter to the market and put our stop loss below the area. What is our first target? Our first target is around here, and it's give us a risk reward ratio around 1.5. But please be careful, there is something else that I want to teach you. In this example, I want to show you the reality of the market, not just ideal things. As you see, everything is same as our checklist. Okay, we have a SNR, we have a break, we have a unmitigated order block, we have a confirmation in the same time frame, and we have our target. But let me show you what will happen. Price again back to this area and had mitigated this block and goes up. As you see, it came back and didn't touch my target. I want to show you, as I said, I want to show you the reality of the market, because we are not setups or a strategy with the win rate of the 100%. I hope this example was useful, and practice more in the chart and take a back test and practice and practice, as I have a practice around the 6 years. In the future I will show you more and more example, and if it's possible, subscribe me. I will show you more example. Thank you.